Ya, ya, todavía yo te quiero, pero sé que es un error, porque ya tú no me quieres, y sin ti me va mejor. Y si veo a tu mamá, yo le pregunto por ti, a ver si ya tienes a alguien, alguien que te haga feliz.
Yo, Timothy, why don't you put some on the aux real quick?
Can we just get there?
Timothy, come on.
It's
I
gonna
wanna
distract me.
I wanna see what's on your playlist, man. Come on.
Whatever.
Let's see what you got, man. This should be good.
Okay, cool.
Flexion, flexion. Ay, I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga wants some smoke, I let the chopper eat his liver. I came with the 38, I'm leaving with a body. If he try me doing sloppy, shooting out the big body. I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga wants some smoke, I let the chopper eat his liver. I came with the 38, I'm leaving with a body. If he try me doing sloppy, shooting out the big body. Ayy, pop out on a pussy. Nigga, what the fuck up? Ayy, gas pack, strong as fuck, my blood be doing push-up. If you bought that action, told that pussy nigga buck up. You be talking hella tough on Twitter, pull the fuck up. Ayy, my bust down be shining like some glitter, but it's VV. Ayy, murk a nigga, put him on the news, he on TV. Ayy, I got all this ice cause I'm a goddamn celebrity. Ayy, bust down demon on my motherfucking Cuban link. Run like that nigga, finger on the trigger. If a nigga wants some smoke, I let the chopper eat his liver. I came with the 38, I'm leaving with a body. If he try me doing sloppy, shooting out the big body. I walk around like that nigga, finger on.
Guys, my name is Junior, and as you saw the last clip, we were washing our cars, well, my car, and we can't see right now because, you know, it's already dark. But it was filthy like before. So this is the after. Yep, you already know what's up. We got the new plate lights too. I didn't have it before. It used to be filthy. The mirrors I haven't done yet. So yeah, if you see me in the road, recognize me and stuff, you know, it's me, I guess. Yep, this is what's up. So right now I'm painting these emblems black, so I could put them right here. And yeah, and we just put this Dodge emblem on it, and I think it looks way better. So yeah, that's really it. Subscribe, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Well, the time lapse, I guess. I don't know what I did. Future Junior, I don't know. Alright. Have a great one, y'all. Peace.
Yeah, lean, double cup. Big comparing, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui. I check the bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry. Look at my cup, it got dope. I been a rover like slow. Bitches ain't cleaner than soap.